Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Cam Legend, and in this video I want to be talking about why staying in nature is an essential for me, and it's helped me manifest faster. As you can see, I'm staying in a beautiful country called Thailand, and I am very blessed to have many beaches accessible to where I stay, to stay within nature, to stay in a peaceful environment where I can really, get in sync with my mind, body and soul. And it's very essential for me. It's a must that I must stay in nature, because it's what keeps me balanced. Especially somebody who works on the computer, works online, you can really get caught in the cycle of everything online is your life, because all is mind. If you stay in front of a computer all day, you're gonna almost be virtual in that essence. And I feel in 2020 this is where society is going. It's going in the direction where people are more fascinated with what's going on online than where they're actually staying. And I think when lockdown occurred for everyone, we had to stay home. So for some people, staying home was the best thing that could happen to them, like me, because I got more in tune with myself and I meditated, and I'm very comfortable in my environment. I feel really at home being in Thailand, where some people, all they've done for the last 4, 5, 6, 7 years is constantly work. Saturday, Sunday. If they're not going out partying, they're doing a Netflix binge, or they're going to another event, or they are doing something that distracts them from what they call home, their safe space. So for some people, going back to that safe space, they now said, fuck, what is my life? What have I been doing? I've been caught in this cycle. I've been drinking to ease the pain, to not think about what I'm actually doing within my life, with my goals, and I feel staying within nature keeps me grounded. It's the equalizer to having a heavy schedule, to getting lost within the cycle that we have as humans. But we must remember, we are complicated beings, but when you break things down to its simple form, we're just species, we're just another species on this planet. So staying within nature is the currency that I like to receive, because staying in the sun now and getting spiritual downloads, staying in the sun, where some people, they don't like staying in the sun because they're scared. Society has told them that being darker is a bad thing. Well, I'm trying to eat up all the sun, because I know that brings me spiritual downloads. I know that 666 is it's the carbon energy that we need in order to get spiritually aligned with ourselves. So I've told you previously that the movies, the films, the media, everything is inverted. What is told that is a bad thing for you is actually the opposite. And the real things that we need to be focusing about is the stuff that they tell us isn't good for us. The sun is good for me. Maybe it's not good for some other people to stay in the sun, but I know for myself, sun is good for me. I know staying out by the beach is good for me. I know that I'm not here to be working in a concrete jungle, aka the Matrix. I knew this. So because I've always been true to myself, where some people may have called me weird, now we look at time has gone by and they're like, you know what, Cam was onto something, you know, Cam the clairvoyant. I saw this 4 years ago when I left London, that this is the way society was going. You know, the day President Trump got elected, I landed in China, because not so long before that Brexit occurred and I knew where things were going, you know. And there's a reason why I've been in tune with what's going on in the world. Not just because I'm a clairvoyant or I have psychic powers. It's because I've always been within nature, and I'm a Pisces, which is, the element of that is water, so I go with the flow. You know, sometimes going with the flow, you can get lost. You can get lost going with the flow, you know. But I know that the flow I was going in the right direction, and only time will show this, you know. So this is why I have to stay within nature, and this is why you should stay with nature. Get some sun gaze, receive the sun. You know, they say this is how you need to start thinking. If the sun was such a threat to us, then why are we here? Why are we here if the sun is such a threat to us? Why have we been here over time? Ancestors, generations after generations after generations, 2020, we're still here. Why, if the sun was such a threat, why would we still be here? Yeah? So let's start thinking logically. You know, you have to start thinking logically. Why are we here? Why has there been so much drama this year? Because people haven't got their health in check. You know, it's been a very emotional year. I don't want to get deep, but I've lost some people this year as well, and so I think everyone has lost someone or knows somebody that has been a victim to health problems. If it's not the C word, which I'm not going to say on here, it's been something else, and this is because they haven't been in sync with themselves. Their health is so important. When I started ascending through this spiritual journey, it started from health. It started from health. It actually started from health. Nutrition. I was doing a bodybuilding competition. That's why I started to learn about every single mineral. What am I ingesting? What is this doing for me? Because before that, I used to have a lot of indigestion, gastric problems. You know, gastric problems. Always burping, always, you know. And it wasn't that I was not eating fruit or anything like that. I've always eaten fruit, but I think it was just I wasn't balanced. So the first thing I started to do was I downloaded MyFitnessPal, and for me, I've got a very obsessive personality. It's a good thing and a bad thing, but if it's aimed to something good, which is nutrition, then it's only going to yield good results. So right now I don't use MyFitnessPal because for me, with my obsessive personality, I'll just rinse something to death to the point where I don't use it anymore, because I already got what I needed to get out of it. So when I was using MyFitnessPal, I would type every little thing I would eat, and with MyFitnessPal, it will tell you how much calories is in there, how much saturated fat, how many good fat is in there, how much protein, how much salt, etc, etc. So on this journey, I was learning that I would eat like a Kit Kat and it'll be like 300 calories, and a Kit Kat's only got 4 bars, 300 calories. But then I can eat a banana and it'll be somewhere 40 to 80 calories. Forgive me if I'm wrong, I haven't used FitnessPal for a long while, but that is how I was gauging things. Things that were unhealthy would be around 300 calories, 400 calories, but I'll eat one fruit and it'll be marginally less. And I was like, wow, so this is how you gain weight. Because if you eat a Kit Kat or you eat a chocolate bar, that's not going to keep you full. But if you eat banana, which is full of fiber, that's going to keep you full. So in order to manifest, you need to stay within nature.
eat fruits, get aligned with yourself. It's all about yourself. It's all about yourself. You have to be in line, in check with yourself. And this is how you manifest faster. I want people to understand that everything is connected. Everything is connected. As soon as you get this in check with yourself, you'll understand. Of course, there's people that manifest eating unhealthy, but I can assure you there's a lot of resistance. And a lot of people have manifested, and this year has shown that some people that we thought may be healthy aren't so healthy, you know? So let's just realize that it's no harm taking care of yourself. It's no harm being spiritually connected. And this is, for me, the fundamentals that I do to manifest faster, have a peace of mind, and really control my future. And let's just get this straight. The future, we don't know what's going to happen in the future, but what we can do is we can have a pathway to creating the reality we want. Nature's funny, you know, but we do have a way to create the reality we want through being in check with ourselves. So that's all I want to say in this video. If you like this video, please like, please comment. I'm still new to YouTube, you know. I'm still getting used to this whole uploading regimen of videos that's not related to music, you know. And you know, it's, for me, like I said, music, video, film, spirituality is all connected. It's all connected. So if you've liked this video, you know what to do. Peace.